Hey folks, welcome. It's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel, catching up and trying to record a few videos, so I will be wearing the same outfits. This is my Mary Maxim Crochet Kit Club of the month for the month of October, and I just got it. I'm going to show you this outside of the plastic so that you can see it better, even though the picture's a bit dark. So yeah, that number here shows 2025, the 10 for October, and the CR for the Crochet Club. It shows the size is 15 by 14 inches, and it's a pattern with the yarn included and the clear zipper bag for to make a colorful tote and iPad tablet cover. I buy this out of my own pocket. It's not promoted by anybody else. I forgot what the term is used. I'm not an affiliate. None of that. Anyways, so it's pretty. It has a picture in here, you know, showing up close the stitches, and then one back here, the pattern. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So when I signed up for this, I pay $18.99 for the kit, and what else? And the shipping is $4.99 included in, you know, like not included in the cost extra, plus the tax, which was $179, so it's a total of $25.77. Oddly enough, this one was shipped by, they used Amazon shipping, so that was a new thing. Anyways, so it came with 3 skeins of Red Heart Gemstone yarn. So the Red Heart Gemstone yarn is not discontinued, but this is a discontinued colorway. So my colorway that I got was called Fluorite. It's really pretty. I'm not gonna open it. It's reds with some dark brown in there, and it looks like dark blue. It's a pretty dark colorway. So I'm sorry, I know it's hard to see in the video, but it's hard to see in person too, even outside of the plastic. So it has a pretty blanket pattern on there, which uses a different colorway. So if you could see that, I know it's really hard to see, but it's pretty. So it says the Red Heart Gemstone is 7 ounces or 200 grams per skein, 312 yards or 285 meters. Net weight, yeah, the 7 ounces. They recommend a 6 millimeter J10. I guess that's for that blanket. They recommend, it's a bulky number weight 5. They recommend a 6.5 millimeter K10-5 crochet hook or a 6 millimeter size 10 US knitting needles. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, tumble dry, do not iron, do not bleach, 100% acrylic yarn. This is made in Turkey. That's the stuff I read to you. Very pretty color. I like it. I'm happy with it. Happy with the pattern too. Apparently you have to get some plastic canvas to put on the bottom of the pattern. And I can't remember if I said this in the beginning of the video or not, so I'm going to say it now. Welcome and hi to my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here. If you like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for my members for coming and for watching. Hi. And thank you so much for your continued support. It helps a lot. You know, like to get things like this. Okay, folks. So, on to make another video. And I'll probably be wearing the same sweater. Anyways, nice, short, and sweet video. I think I covered everything in this video. Oh, real quick, I will show you. I've been working on this slowly when I went on my trip. So I have the shawl. I haven't finished it yet. I think it's coming out very pretty. Has a nice I don't know if you see the shimmer to it. It has like some stellina in the yarn. The pattern is Hooked by Robin. I think it's called like the eyelet shawl or something like that. And the yarn, thank you so much, Dee. This was hand-dyed yarn by Dee's Creative Hands. I'll have the link to her channel up here. And yeah. And this is a DK weight yarn, a superwash merino wool. So it's about how thick it is. Yeah. So I'm going to do a few more rows and add the edging, which is going to be picot stitches. And that's it. Okay, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked the little surprise at the end. Thanks. Bye.